feel like I haven't shown my face in the video yet. So hi, it's me. Welcome back to another video. Yes, that is the correct time. My oldest slept over at my mom's house last night, had like a little sleepover. So it was just me and my 3-year-old this morning, and we slept in. We slept until like 9, but we didn't come downstairs until 10. Okay, I won't go too in depth with this because I know it's not everybody's cup of tea, but if you want to hear more in like a future video, just let me know. But I have been in a calorie deficit for the last 3 weeks because I know I've talked about this a million times, but I work out like 5 or 6 days a week. I go to Burn Boot Camp and I love it. It's just like a fitness workout place. I wanted to see what would happen if I actually started, you know, eating correctly and eating in a calorie deficit. So I've been doing that for 3 weeks and I actually lost an additional 6 pounds. So that's exciting. So that's why I'm weighing everything. If you're like, why is she weighing out her creamer? It's because before I was just pouring a whole bunch of creamer in there. And now I still do a lot, but I do 2.5 tablespoons. And so I measure it out so it doesn't get too crazy. So this is my breakfast. Cheers. Okay, I don't know if I said this yet, but my 7-year-old slept over at my mom's house last night. So me and my 3-year-old are gonna meet my mom and my 7-year-old at Target, and that's how we're gonna like get him back and just hang out at Target for a little bit. So first I'm gonna tidy up around the house. I'm gonna do my makeup, make the bed, get him ready, and then we're gonna head to Target. Okay, so this is what the living room's looking like. We're having a rough morning this morning. I'm just gonna tell you that real quick. We'll see if he helps. He probably won't. Just being honest. I'd rather just have it done. This couch cover, this piece of the couch is kind of broken, so I'm just trying to make it look the best I can. Now, to finish out the main living area, I am going to use my new vacuum. You guys might have seen me use it in the past couple of videos. So this is actually a vacuum and mop from the brand Narwhal. I am a big fan of Narwhal. It is a brand that I love and trust. We actually have the Narwhal robot vacuum. I think we've had it like 8 or 9 months. We love it. We use it almost daily. And Narwhal did send me this new product. It is their new Narwhal S20 Pro. They wanted me to be able to test it out for a while and then review it for you guys. And it is awesome. Truly 10 out of 10, no complaints. I absolutely love it. It is such a useful and convenient gadget to have. So just to tell you guys a little bit more about it, like I said, this is a vacuum and mop all-in-one. It has unmatched suction at 20,000 PA for fast, efficient cleaning of tough messes. And I don't feel like my floors are super messy today. And I didn't think it would be totally fair to only show you guys this vacuum on a clean floor and be like, oh, just trust me, it works really well. So I did take a few clips over the past couple weeks whenever there was a mess. And I also made a few hard to clean messes. That way I could show you guys and you could see for yourself how this vacuum performs. So not only does this vacuum mop get tough messes, but it also has a dual edge reach, which means it can clean tight edges. It's perfect for anything that has fallen down close to your baseboards or under your cabinets. It leaves 0 missed spots. And it has 180-degree flat cleaning. So that way it can can effortlessly move under furniture, under dressers. You don't have to move it. It also has a tangle-free brush, which is a game changer, and blue light AI sensors with 5 different cleaning modes. That way it can smartly adjust the cleaning intensity based on detected dirt levels. And there's a mode for every scenario, from quick spills to stubborn stains. The Narwhal has an extended 60-minute runtime, meaning you can clean without interruption. You can go through the whole house without having to worry to stop and charge it. And it also has a 43 dB whisper quiet operation. That way you can go through the house and vacuum and mop, and you don't have to worry about disrupting anyone or being too loud. And my absolute favorite part is the self-cleaning. All you do is you press this button, it will self-clean the roller brush, it will wash it until it's clean, and then use 149-degree iron drying to avoid bacterial growth and odor. So like I said, I have no complaints, no notes, no suggestions. I feel like this product is awesome. It works. I mean, you guys could see for yourself in the demonstration that I showed. So if you guys are interested, you can check out my description below to get a special code for the Narwhal S20 Pro. Thank you so much to Narwhal for sponsoring this portion of the video. Like I said, I have other products from Narwhal. It's a brand that I love and trust. And let's just get into the rest of the video. This might seem so dramatic, but I do prefer to wear gloves when I do the dishes. Something about the dishes really grosses me out with like my fingertips getting wet and stuff, and so I realized once I started using gloves it was just so much better of an experience. I just realized there's some clean dishes in here, so we're actually gonna empty these first. Okay, I did my makeup, I cleaned the living room. I just know when we get back from Target, I'm obviously gonna have both kids, and I just knew I'd be overwhelmed if I came home and the whole place was trashed. And my kids together are very overwhelming. Yeah, I knew that if I tried to clean with both of them, it just wouldn't work, so. So I was about to make the bed, and then I remembered my 3-year-old had an accident in our bed this morning. It wasn't like a big one, but it's kind of wet here. So I'm gonna throw these in the washer and they can just wash while we're at Target. Okay, so I did change because as much as I want it to be chilly outside, it's just not. So I was getting really hot. I am gonna make a quick smoothie because I've been having one every day. And when we go to Target, I feel like I always want a sweet treat. Like, I love the blueberry muffins from Starbucks. That's probably my favorite, or the pumpkin bread. So like I said, I'm trying to eat healthy. So I'm gonna make myself a chocolate peanut butter banana smoothie. I only have vanilla protein powder, but what I do is I just add a little bit of cocoa and then it makes it that. So I put half a banana, and then I'm going to use this protein powder. And then to make it chocolate, you just take a little Hershey's cocoa, just a tad. You can always add more, but I feel like sometimes if I put too much, it kind of ruins it. So just a little bit, some peanut butter. Now it is like a peanut butter chocolate banana smoothie. I am gonna add some more berries though, just for like antioxidants and all that stuff, because I'm not a huge fruit person. Like, I would never sit around and just eat strawberries or blueberries, or like people that love yogurt and berries for breakfast. I'm like, ugh, I don't know. I have to kind of sneak them in. I love vegetables. For some reason, I don't love fruit. So I put them in my smoothie. Okay. So I put blueberries, and put cherry, and then some spinach. I don't have a lot of spinach left. I found that getting frozen spinach is such a game changer because I used to always buy spinach with the intention of having smoothies, and then if I didn't have a smoothie, it would just go to waste. So I really like doing the frozen one now. Delicious! Can hear it. I hope you can. There is a kid like one cul-de-sac over from us, and he plays the drums. He's probably like 14 or 15 years old. He's pretty good, but he practices a lot and it is really loud. However, I enjoy it. We're like far enough away that you can't hear it when we're in the house, but when we're outside, it's like really nice and relaxing. It almost sounds like, I don't know, like if you were at a shopping center and you were sitting outside on a bench and like a few restaurants over, there was like a live band. It's like the perfect volume from our house. I want to see if you guys can hear it though. That, but yeah, every time I come out here, it's just nice. It's like relaxing. There's a breeze. I hear like the drumming in the background. I'm sure the people that are in his cul-de-sac maybe don't have as nice of an experience. Like I sometimes think about, what if you were his next door neighbor and you had a baby you were trying to get to sleep? Because if I can hear it all the way down here, that must be rough. But where we're located, it's like the perfect volume and I actually really enjoy it. Okay, so it's my husband's birthday tomorrow, so I'm looking at shirts for him, and I really like these like long sleeve. I don't know if he's an XXL or an XL, so I think I'm gonna get one XL and one XXL. I'm looking at some other options though, but they have really good prices at Target. Like these are $20 each, and the other shirts are like $12, $11, $15. Is ever wondering, Target with 2 kids is not a good time. Okay, Target shopping trip done. I got the clothes for my husband, and then a carrot cake for tomorrow, and then just a couple food items. So now, of course, I did want to go into Hobby Lobby just to see what Christmas decor they had out. I will say Hobby Lobby is usually my least favorite place to shop for Christmas decor, just because I feel like typically a lot of the decor doesn't change from year to year. So after going so many years in a row, I kind of know what to expect. I really prefer like Home Goods or Marshalls or TJ Maxx, just because you can kind of go every day and see different decor. But there were some things this year that I did notice were new that I really liked. This Santa I thought was really cool. It just looks, I don't know, like really regal and nice. I thought it would look awesome on a fireplace mantle. I love the details. It was $60, but you have to remember that Christmas is usually always 50% off. So I actually thought $30 was a pretty good price for how big this was. And I really liked these wreaths. I don't remember seeing those last year either, and I love anything with a red bow on it. And then they had a ton of these little candle holders, like so many different ones. I don't remember seeing these in years past either. Just all different kinds. I really liked the clear Christmas tree down here. I thought that was really pretty. I really liked these stems. I thought that this was super realistic. You could stick it in your Christmas tree to have a little bit more depth, or you could obviously put it in a vase. Sometimes when I buy different garlands for my mantle or whatever, there will be spots where it's a little sparse. So sometimes I like buying stems just to kind of stick it in there and make it look a little bit more full. I also really liked this nutcracker. I thought he was really cute. I liked the color of the wood. It was $17.99. I didn't get it though because I feel like they have one really similar at Walmart this year that's probably cheaper. Now, I was really impressed with the Christmas trees this year. I did feel like they had a lot of options and a lot that I don't remember seeing in previous years. I really liked the different baskets they added to some of the trees, and they also added lights to different trees that I don't remember seeing in years past. Okay, remember what I said in the beginning of the video about calorie deficits and eating healthy and all that mumbo jumbo? Forget what I said, because it has been a very, very rough day with both kids. Just very rough. I think we're just like at a hard age for both of them. And so my mom brought over, oh, by the way, it's the next day. My mom brought over Costco blueberry muffins and I love them. So I'm gonna try to only eat one. I'm only having half right now, but for some reason muffins are my weakness, and usually when my mom gets these, I end up eating like 3 in one day. And they're huge. Okay, ignore my appearance. It's been a really rough day today. I'm just not having the best day, and that's okay. But like I said, my mom took the kids really fast to lunch, but just to like a fast food place near us, so she's only gonna be gone like 45 minutes or so. So I really want to clean out my car because my car is trash, and I want to clean it out while I don't have the kids, because then I can clean under where their car seats normally are. So I'm going to race over to the car wash place and get a really fast car wash. I think I have like a coupon for a car wash. Yes, I do, yay! And then I get to use like their free vacuums and clean the car out. So I'm gonna go do that really fast. I'll film some clips of it. I even thought about bringing my tripod so I could actually clean it, and I was like, Lauren, no. No, girl, you're not gonna be the girl at the car wash with a tripod. Okay, I am trying to clean as fast as I can. So I have like a pack of crackers. A little Chick-fil-A, like the toy they put, a random creamer packet, lots of tissues. There are so many tissues. This is from my sandwich yesterday I got at Target. I don't know how it ended up on the floor. This is a charger. I did bring my own Trader Joe's spray because they have the really good microfiber towels here. Woo! Okay, nice and clean. Back seat's nice and clean. Good enough. Okay guys, so it is a few days later. I was just laying here editing and I realized that I didn't do an outro for the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for coming along. Vlogs are my favorite videos to make and also to watch on YouTube. They're my favorite, but I know they don't have quite as big of an audience, so I don't do them too much, but I hope that you guys enjoyed this one. I tried to make it jam-packed so it was entertaining to watch. Now, if you did enjoy, I would absolutely love if you would leave a comment down below, even if you're not usually a commenter, just like an emoji or a hi or whatever. Because like I said, I really like making vlogs, but I just never know if people enjoy them. So that would be really helpful. Or you could give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I would love for you to. I have a ton of fun videos coming soon. Make sure you guys check out Narwhal. I will have them linked down below. You can also obviously check them out Amazon, Google, whatever. But yeah, I hope you guys all have an absolutely amazing day. I'm gonna get back to editing and then hopefully get the video all set up to go up. And yeah, bye guys. I'll see you in the next video.